what's the hole in the NASCAR market that you say, okay, I would take the street course here if I had to just fill the hole, to say, what do we got to do to get there?
Yeah, I would say there's probably a few things. I mean, one is obviously Southern California. You know, we've had the Clash share for the past few years. We've had Fontana for a number of years. We're not going to have a Southern California race on the schedule in 2025. That's a massive opportunity because it's a massive market. Massive market for our partners, massive market for a number of people, massive market for a number of fans. So we need to find a way to have a presence in Southern California somehow. So I would say that one. We've talked about the Pacific Northwest a lot. We've had the Xfinity Series at Portland the past 2 or 3 years. You know, I think that's another market we'd eventually like to be in. Yeah. And then I would just say the Northeast in general, not any particular area, whether that's New York or Philadelphia or wherever it might be. But if you look at the amount of racing that we had 4 or 5 years ago in the Northeast relative to where we're at today, we have a lot less inventory. I think the good news is fans are showing up. You know, you look at Dover, you look at Pocono, these places are packed. Even New Hampshire looks really good. So, you know, I think that's another market, just as we think about continuing to expand, that we'd love to have a presence in the Northeast.